Hi everyone. So the customer said that she has a problem with her washer Electrolux. So she were telling me that it was never spinning. So it's washing, doing everything, but we are going to try only spin. So water is stuck inside. So that's why I have to try that first and check if the water is getting out of the washer. If not, probably she has a problem with her pump. So maybe we have to clean the pump if it's not burned. So we have to check if it's going to finish the cycle. So the washer is trying to get in the spin, but it's not spinning because I don't hear the pump that is working. The pump's not working. So the washer didn't finish the cycle. He opened the door, but the door is cycle, so it's stopped, and you can't start it because probably there's an error code somewhere. You have to press on temp and set at the same time 10 seconds, like that. So I get the code. The last code is E23. So we are going to check where is the error code. It's an error with the pump. We have to take this out. Without opening this greenhouse. Okay. Shoot. I'm trying to open the last one here. It's so difficult, man. Fuck. So I find the way to open it. So I open everything, but I already tested the pump. It's good. I check if it was glocked over here on this plastic here, but it was not glocked. So maybe it's the board. I don't know. I will put everything back and try it again, but everything was clean. So guys, the way that I take out the screw there, I had very difficulty to take it. I take this out. So I just put it like this because you see there's he's taking too much space. So that's why I take this out and I take the screw. So I'm putting everything back inside. Okay. So I checked the pump. The pump was working, but still maybe it's the pump. Okay. So let me check. I will put everything back. So let's see what's going to happen. Hope it's going to work. Or if it's not working, I will probably change the how do you say the drain pump. So let's put everything back here inside. And if you're doing the same way that I did it, I put a line of every screw that I take it out. So I am putting everything back like it was, like this. So you have to put this thing in the hole and clip it. Okay. Oh, the pump worked. So like it's stopping right now. So the problem was not the drain pump. I know that the error code that we see was telling us that the pump was faulty, but this is not the pump. In this case, it was the drain house over here, but because it was too much inside. When the drain house was too much inside, it was not draining properly because it was like a little bit blocked inside, so that's why it was kinked inside, so that's why it was not working properly. So the problem was not the pump, it was the drain house. So you always have to check if it's, so like you see guys, everything is done. So if you check the clothes inside, it's not wet anymore, so everything is okay, everything is fixed. So we opened the pump for, I will not tell for nothing, but it was not the pump. So probably I had to check the drain house before opening everything. So that's why I put some tape here to stop that the drain is going too much inside, that's why. So thank you guys for listening me. So if you want more videos like that, if you get this error problem before, just let me know in the comments.
You can see on this diagram, the left one is the right way to put your drain house, and the right one is not the proper way, because the air is not getting in, and you will have a poor drainage. So it's going to give you an error code on your washer like that.